Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of smart home security with a comprehensive review of the Loqed Touch Smart Lock. This sleek, fully integrated smart lock aims to provide convenience and peace of mind for homeowners. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk design and installation. The Loqed Touch Smart Lock comes as an all-in-one package, which is great because you get everything you need right out of the box. The installation process, however, can be a bit fiddly. It replaces the Euro cylinder lock on most doors, and it's important to note that it's better suited for inward opening doors. The lock itself is quite robust, and I particularly like the stainless steel finish, although there's also a black version available. Now, installing this lock requires some time and patience. You'll need to replace the existing cylinder with the one provided, and then fit the control panel with its LED display on the outside. The battery housing takes 8 Ah batteries, which should last you around a year. There's also an optional power kit available for those who prefer rechargeable batteries. Overall, the installation process took longer than expected, especially compared to some other smart locks on the market. Moving on to features and performance, the Loqed Touch Smart Lock offers remote control via the app and a smart LED control panel on the front. It operates quietly and efficiently, with a gentle mechanical whir when locking and unlocking. However, one major drawback is the lack of a manual override option. This means that if the lock fails, you're left with limited options for accessing your home. While rare, it's definitely something to consider, especially for those who value traditional key access. The app functionality is fairly straightforward, allowing you to lock and unlock your door remotely. You can also add guest users with specific access permissions, which is handy for Airbnb hosts or homeowners with frequent visitors. Additionally, features like touch to open and scheduling add a level of convenience to daily use. So, should you buy the Loqed Touch Smart Lock? Well, if you're looking for a fully integrated smart lock that comes with everything you need in the box, this could be a solid option for you. It offers convenience and security, albeit with a slightly fiddly installation process. However, the lack of a manual override option is a significant downside, especially considering the potential consequences of lock failure. In conclusion, while the Loqed Touch Smart Lock has its strengths, it's not without its flaws. For me, the peace of mind that comes with a manual override option is worth considering. If you're in the market for a smart lock, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons carefully to determine if it's the right fit for your needs. And that wraps up our review of the Loqed Touch Smart Lock. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.